I'm Jay from the Burnout Show, and I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to easily remove your engine. Right here I have a 2-barrel intake off of my Ford 292, and this plate has literally saved my life a bunch of times because it's so helpful with an engine hoist. So where it fits a bunch of different carburetors, first of all, so definitely buy one with multiple holes. Don't buy one specifically to your engine in case you need to use it again. I genuinely bought this for $12. It's a fixed sheet of metal and it won't break easily. And as I mentioned, it bolts right up to my intake manifold for my Ford. So it would bolt right here. You use the same nuts as you would for the carburetor, and you can just hook your engine hoist through one of these holes and just pull it up. So like I mentioned, 12 bucks. It will save you so much time and energy by getting one of these. I've seen people try to wrap chains all around the engine or lift it with a strap, something of that sort. Trust me, this is much easier, much safer for the car, and will be better for your engine hoist overall. So I highly recommend it. Definitely find one of these for the best quality you can find. Down below, I've linked an Amazon product that is very similar to this one and will help you out just the same. So feel free to click on that to buy one of your own. But as I mentioned, highly recommend grabbing one of these, and it will save you when taking the engine out, and just keep it on the intake manifold so when you put it back on, it will keep your engine clean until your carburetor is ready to go. That's all for this video, and I'll see you next time.